Here's the story of my two dogs that I keep taking videos of. First up, Chip, born in London, Ontario, to two loving parents. Gets behind his good looks, but is crazy as a bat. He's always trying to get into some kind of ruckus. Also, Adonis. Loves belly rubs and to be the center of attention. Pastimes include squirrel chasing, despite never catching one. He's a ragtag bag of energy, and he'll be sure to eat your shoes when you leave the house. Poppy, plucked from the streets of the Dominican Republic and flown to Toronto, Ontario, Canada. This dog braves elements she was not bred for, but cuddles, oh does she ever cuddle. Timid, this creature, she never stopped chasing her dream of being the #1 sleeping dog in the world. Sleep everywhere and anywhere she will, but don't come between her and her sleep.